In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Notion. By the end, you'll have ClickUp connected to Notion, so you can streamline work and keep information aligned between both tools. This walkthrough is simple and doesn't require any coding, just a few clicks inside ClickUp. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser and signing into the workspace where you want the connection. It helps to use the desktop browser version so you can easily access all menus. Make sure you have the right permissions in your workspace, since connecting apps can sometimes be limited to owners or admins. Once you're in ClickUp, look to the bottom area of the left sidebar for the small grid, often called the waffle icon. This icon opens ClickUp's app directory. If you don't see it at first, try expanding the sidebar or hovering near the bottom until the icon appears. Click the waffle icon to open the Apps section. This is where ClickUp lists official integrations and partner apps. From here, select Apps to view the full catalog. The layout may show categories or featured apps, but you'll want to browse the list to find what you need. Scroll through the available integrations and look for Notion. If the list is long, you can use the search bar at the top and type Notion to jump straight to it. Taking a moment to confirm the app's description is a good idea, so you know you're selecting the official Notion integration. Click Notion to open its details page. You'll see a short overview of what the integration does, and, most importantly, the Connect button. This page is also where you can return later to manage or disconnect the integration if needed. Go ahead and click Connect. At this point, it's normal for ClickUp to guide you through a quick authorization flow. Just follow the on-screen prompts and keep your browser window open until the connection completes. If the Connect button is unavailable, double-check your workspace permissions and try again. When it's done, you should see that Notion appears as connected within the Apps area. If the page doesn't update immediately, a quick refresh usually helps. Later on, you can revisit this Apps section to confirm the status, review settings, or disconnect and reconnect if you switch workspaces. That's the entire process. Open ClickUp, use the waffle icon to get to Apps, find Notion, select it, and click Connect. With the integration in place, you're set up to keep your tools in sync and reduce context switching. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you want to follow along step by step.